Hello, I'm Lily Stoiber from the Agricultural Vocational School Sandanski. I'm studying economics, but I'm interested in agriculture and more precisely, wine production. This is because the profession of my parents is related to wine. Now, with my classmates, we will introduce in a few minutes our work related to the product we selected, grapes, and is the right product the wine.
Hello, I am Eleonora from the Green Team of Agricultural Vocational School, and now I present to you the three activities that are meaningful and important for us and have been fulfilled throughout the first year of the project. And those are grape harvest, learning company, and Trifonzarzan.
We Milano and Greta are also trained in the profession economist, but we are in grade 10. Our profession is not directly linked to agriculture.
Before the project started, I knew that the school had a variant of 3,000 square meters. However, we didn't presume that we would be involved in picking grapes, taking the grapes from the bunches, and grinding them.
Before we leave them in the vats to ferment and turns into elixir called wine.
Hello, I'm Zori and I'm one of the 11 students who set up a training film last year, and the subject of the activity is a production essay of white and red wine, and here on the slide you can see some of the materials of our advertisement.
Hello everyone, I'm Antonia and I'm going to briefly explain what is Trifonzarzan. Trifonzarzan is a traditional Bulgarian celebration of the wine growing. It is celebrated on the 1st or 14th of February. On those days, the vine growers prune off the vines and pour wine on them so that they would have rich vintage during the year. By taking part of the celebration, I've got my first lesson. Except being useful for me and my schoolmates, it was also a really fun experience.
Hello dear partners, my name is Angel, a 20th grade student, a profession economist. After the interesting activities in the first year, let's talk about what we are going to do now. Our choice is read label, nitrate testing and prepare for the food festival.
Hello, I'm Ioana, and I'm going to tell you about one campaign. Participating in this campaign named Read the Label, I learned a lot about foods. For example, what their ingredients are. The group I worked with carried out a survey among the customers of the food chain Biwa, and we were amazed when we found out that a great number of the customers don't read the label. They don't care about the content of the label. They just grab the food and buy it. No reading. But this means that sometimes they can buy food with expiration date or with GMO. I think our campaign will help to change it.
Hello, I'm Radustina as a participant in the making of wine. In school for me and my classmates, it was curious whether it has harmful substance in it.
Hello, I'm Vladislav. I had the opportunity to examine the grape juice myself, and I was surprised by the fact that there is no nitrate in it.
This is because the soil in which the vineyard was planted wasn't treated with pesticides.
Hello from me, Venezia. This activity, how to make a masterpiece of different useful foods, is a real challenge for us. She is coming and we will hope that we will be a very creative and we will hold an unforgettable international festival of food.